The scorching summer heat can be dangerous if you aren't giving your body enough breaks from the heat and allowing it to cool down. And we all know how hot it can get standing in direct sunlight within just a matter of minutes, and how much cooler it feels in the shade. So today I'm showing you the temperature differences between staying in the shade and staying in direct sunlight. In this episode of Exploring the Atmosphere with Alyssa, I'll explain the ongoing temperature battle between sunlight and shade. I wanted to show you why staying in the shade can be so important on a super hot day. When you watch our newscast, you hear us say, oh, it's 91, 93 degrees outside. Those temperatures are taken in the shade, not in the direct sunlight. So I have our little handheld weather station here. It's going to tell me the temperatures as well as the heat index for both the shade as well as the direct sunlight. Starting off in the shade, temperatures have been sitting right around 93, 94 degrees. And then because it is summer, it is humid, let's test out the heat index. Those temperatures have been sitting right around 107 degrees. Now that might sound hot, but remember, we're sitting in the shade. Let's go test these out in the direct sunlight. All right, I'm out here in the direct sunlight. There is no heat relief anywhere around. I am not enjoying this. It's just very, very hot. So let's check the temperatures right now. On our handheld weather station, temperatures are sitting right around 106 degrees. And if we turn over to our heat index, so those feel like temperatures in the direct sunlight, they're up to 180 degrees, so you can just see how hot it feels just standing in the direct sunlight, especially compared to the shade, where temperatures only felt like 107 degrees. Well, actually, the shade doesn't make temperatures cooler. This is because the temperature you feel in the shade is the actual air temperature. Being in direct sunlight can make the air feel 10 to 15 degrees warmer than it actually is because of the sun's rays touching your skin. Air temperature is always measured in the shade because in the shade, the thermometer is measuring the actual temperature and only the air temperature. A thermometer placed in the sun measures the air temperature plus the temperature that the sun heats the thermometer to. That number reading is inaccurate and can be multiple degrees higher than the true air temperature.